In this video, I want to make a very short review about this ESR case for the iPad Air 5th generation that I have right over here. This is a case I got on Amazon for about, I would say, $15 US. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out if you want. So let me show it to you and I'll also give you my own opinion on this product. So first of all, why would you choose this case over other ones? Well, first, I think the price is quite attractive at $15 US. And also, here we go, I'll show you the magic trick of this case, is that if you have an Apple Pen that just stays like this, attached to your iPad Air 5th generation, well, this case will actually cover the pen and protect it. So if you leave your iPad with this case in your bag and stuff get thrown at it on the side, the pen will never detach and never get scratched either. As you can see, it's covering the pen quite good. And yeah, of course, if you smash it on the ground, it won't protect it. This is very thin here. But I think it does the job, and not many cases have this feature. So how it works, it's this small flap here on the side that connects with a magnet to the other side of the case. So it's not going to be loose anytime soon. On the exterior, there is this synthetic material here. Nothing bad, I would say. And on the other side, it's hard plastic. And as you can see, it attracts some fingerprints. It has a cutout for the camera and for every button. I'll show you when I will put the iPad inside. And putting the iPad inside, it's very easy. All you have to do. And by the way, this back plastic is semi-transparent. You can still see a bit through it. So to put the iPad right in here, you just make sure that it's aligned the camera with the camera here. And all you have to do is you put it like this and press each corner until they all click in place. Here we go. Just make sure everything is good. Perfect. So let me show you the cutout. Here on the bottom you have the charging port and the speakers all have their own dots. That's cool to see. On this side there's nothing. On the top side you have again some cutouts here. And for the button, a big cutout so you can put your fingerprint there for the Touch ID. The camera is, I would say, protected sufficiently. As you can see, there's a hard plastic around it. Nothing too crazy over here. And even if you don't have a pen for this case, it will still close very well here. You see, I don't have any pen inside, but the case is still closed. Obviously, since it's a folding case, you can do multiple things with it. You just have to fold this foldable part into a triangle. And when you do this, you can place the iPad on a table here and it's slightly angled if you want to type or even if you want to draw, and it's quite solid. I'm pressing and tapping very hard everywhere, and yeah, the case is resisting. Good. It's good to see this. And obviously, if you want to put it in a vertical mode, same thing. You're going to just put this triangle like this. Put the iPad here. And if you want to type, again, I'm pressing quite hard here, and the iPad doesn't. Obviously, if you exaggerate like this, it will fall down. But I think for the regular user, you know, that just types normally, this is quite sturdy. And once you're done, all you have to do is to fold back this, and the flap here just come around and clicks in place. If you have the pen, you just have to put the pen the usual way, and it goes over it. On the back here, you can still see the Apple logo if this is something important to you. It's very hard to see, but honestly, I don't think it's important. Will this case last in time? This is my question, since I only have it for the last week. and I quite like it. I think it's a good buy for 15 bucks. Having these special features, I think it's cool. And yeah, I think it's much better than just a case that clips with the magnet and folds over, because this case goes all around. So if you drop it slightly like this, the actual iPad won't come in contact with the surface. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Again, there's a link in the description if you want to get one on Amazon. See you in the next one.